You know, being a pedestrian in San Francisco is a dangerous position to be in. And it doesn't have to be if both pedestrians and drivers work together to make sure that the pedestrian stays safe. One of the first things a driver needs to understand is they need to keep their eye out for the pedestrian, because the damage that can happen to a pedestrian can be catastrophic if they're hit by a vehicle. Many of my clients have experienced this. One of the things the pedestrian needs to do is keep an eye out for the car and realize that, yes, there's a crosswalk at every intersection, whether it's there or not as far as the law is concerned, but that is not free rein just to step out into the street. They need to keep an eye out for the vehicle. All of us need to be very, very careful. And if you're a pedestrian who sustained an injury as a result of a negligent driver, you need to speak with an attorney that's experienced in this area of law, and I recommend you do so immediately.